Hi, it's Lee from Cabot here, and in this video I'll show you just how easily you can add shine and revive tired timber coatings using Cabot's floor polish. Cabot's floor polish is the easiest way to restore, enhance and protect timber flooring. It prolongs the life of timber coatings and is designed specifically for coated timber, parquetry and cork floors. For this project you'll need Cabot floor polish, Cabot's floor clean, a mop and bucket, Lambswool applicator and tray, and your safety gear. Before you start, it's important to know that Cabot's floor polish should only be applied to a dried and well-cured surface. That means any new coatings should be at least 4 weeks old. Ensure that the surface is thoroughly cleaned using Cabot's Floor Clean, the easy to use all-purpose cleaner that is fast acting on grease and grime. Start by adding approximately 50 ml of floor clean concentrate to 4 litres of water. For extra dirty floors, increase the amount of concentrate to 100 ml to 4 litres of water. Apply to the floor with a mop to loosen grime and dirt, ensuring not to flood the floor with cleaning solution. Once the floors are cleaned and dried, it's time to apply Cabot's floor polish. It's important to remember not to shake the bottle to ensure an even finish. Using a sponge mop or Lambswool applicator, apply the product undiluted, being careful not to introduce bubbles or allowing any pools of liquid to form. Once your surface is fully coated, allow 1 hour to dry. Repeat the application if a higher gloss level is desired. And there you have it, revived timber coatings with a beautiful shine. With Cabot's floor polish, you can confidently restore, enhance and protect your timber floors, giving them a new lease of life.